All right, let's have a quick look at home link or study link 7.3 called colored tiles. And we need to imagine we have some tiles in a bag, and the most helpful thing to do here would be to get some colored pencils and draw this out. So do that if you have them, and I'm going to do it here. We have 5 blues, and I'm going to make mine circles, not tiles, but that's okay. And we have 2 reds, and then 1 yellow and 2 greens. And now we have got to decide our chances of picking different colors out of this bag. So what are the chances of picking a blue tile? Likely means it's probably going to happen. 50-50 means half and half. Unlikely, probably not. Very unlikely, almost definitely not. So blue, you can see 5 out of the 10, or exactly half, are blue. So therefore, I would say that blue is 50-50 chance. And what are the chances of picking yellow is the next question. Well, there's only 1 out of 10 is yellow. So certain means it is 100%, definitely not that, not likely, not 50-50. Probably for yellow, it's going to be very unlikely that you pick a yellow. Then we're going to break it down further here. What are the chances we pick a red tile? Well, I see 2 red tiles there out of 10. So the chances are 2 out of 10, and our fraction or probability is 2/10. What about yellow tiles? 1 out of 10 is yellow, so the chances are 1/10. And for this one, blue, red, or green, you would need to add up the blue, red, and green. And then for this last bit, choose your own. So just choose 2 different colors or even 3 colors. And what are the chances? You can make up your own. For this next bit, if you picked a colored tile from the bag 10 times, how many times would you expect to get a blue? Well, this kind of tells you you'd expect to get it 5 out of 10 times. So that's how many times you would expect to pick a blue. Try the experiment. My class, we can do this in school. You don't need to do this. And then finally, we just have a little bit of multiplication practice here. And I would like you to do partial products for a couple of these. So 74 times 8. Partial products start with 8 times 70, or you can go the other way, but I'm going to start 8 times 70, which is 560. 8 times 4, 32, nice and neatly lined up. And then you could try lattice method for one as well. So I'll do the 2 digit by 2 digit, and just remember to make your diagonal lines go through these points, and then you can just multiply with your boxes. 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 5 is 30. Let's see, 6 times 6 is 36 here, and then finish it on your own, but you're just adding now diagonally. So I would have 0 stays, this would be 9, and you'd have to do this last bit to get your answer. But that's that. And let's try one more just for fun. Let's do this one, partial products, because this is 3 digits times 2 digits. A little bit challenging, partial products, but let's just try. And I'm going to have 6 products, and I need to do this very neatly, but I'll start with 5. I'll even circle that to help me. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 60 is going to give me 300. 5 times 400 is going to give me 2,000. And then now I'll go ahead and try 30. And this is where people make mistakes because they're thinking 3, but it's really 30. So 30 times 2 is 60, and 30 times 60 is 1,800, and 30 times 400 is going to give me 12,000, I think, yes. And then you can add those all together, and that will give you your final answer. And that is all for this home link. Thank you very much. Bye.